What is up, guys? So today we'll be talking about productivity. And productivity basically is getting the most important things done as effectively as possible. And every entrepreneur needs to know this because everybody needs to be able to go to the next level in life. And for you to have this system, for you to have productivity, you need to be willing to know what it takes. Why is productivity important for entrepreneurs? Well, it helps accomplish their goals, gets more done with less effort, and it builds self-accountability. Everybody knows that if you're going to be an entrepreneur, you need to be productive and you need to have a sales system. You need to have systems set up and ready for you to go so you won't be wasting time and seamless amount of time. So let's get started on what we have to do to get your productivity to the next level and how to get the most out of this course. If you're going to get the most out of this course, it requires you to be patient, to be able to take time and practice, and to be self-efficient. And you need to be open to learning, be willing to change your habits and implement a little bit at a time, because it requires a little bit of time to build habits. And at the end of the day, that's what you have to do, is to invest in yourself, to invest into what you want to do, and to invest into what you want to become. Let's get started.